Born in Nine Mile, Jamaica on February 6, 1945, Bob Marley emerged as the greatest reggae legend of all time. Today we honor the Reggae King on the 43rd anniversary of his passing. Bob Marley's music transcended borders and touched the hearts of millions worldwide. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. His powerful lyrics and soulful melodies continue to inspire and uplift people of all ages and backgrounds. Though he may have left us physically, his spirit lives on through his timeless music and profound messages of love, unity, and social justice. As we reflect on his legacy, let us remember the impact he made on the world and the lasting impression he left on the hearts of millions. So, on this day, let us pay tribute to the reggae king Bob Marley. May his music continue to resonate with generations to come, and may his legacy inspire us to strive for a better world. Rest in peace, Bob Marley. If this type of content resonated with you, remember to like, share, and subscribe.